Then, nakita nyo kung magkano yung available balance nyo. Tap nyo yung withdraw. Then, withdraw balance. Then, makikita nyo dyan ang mga option ng withdraw nyo kung mayroon kayong GCash. Pero dapat pala ay ililink nyo muna ang inyong GCash or kung ano ang inyong bank account. Pero mas mabilis ang GCash. Then tap nyo yung amount, lagay nyo yung amount, then withdraw. Hindi kayo makakapag-withdraw dyan kung wala kayong nakalink na GCash or bank account or PayPal o ano. Pero mas mabilis mag-withdraw pag GCash. Ayan. Then, ayan, check nyo, transfer to GCash, withdrawal amount, service fee, siyempre may service fee and receiving amount. Then, confirm to withdraw. Mabilis lang yan. Then, withdrawal in progress, ayan na. Then, wait nyo lang ng ilang minutes, minsan nga seconds lang. Ayan, nakita nyo, pumasok na siya sa GCash ko. Ganyan lang.